In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to guide yourself through the process of selecting and printing images from Pinterest with Google. Whether you're looking to print beautiful art, stunning photography, or inspiring quotes, I'll take you through each step to ensure you have your image ready to go in no time. Make sure to follow along, and soon enough, you'll become an expert at this. First, you want to head over to Google and open up Pinterest. Pinterest is a fantastic resource full of visual inspiration, housing countless images across a diverse range of topics and themes. It's the perfect place if you're on the lookout for unique artwork or just something that sparks creativity. By simply going to Pinterest's homepage, you'll find yourself in a sea of beautifully curated ideas and visuals. Now, once you're on Pinterest, it's time to dive into the endless stream of images. You'll want to start by searching for an image that really catches your eye. It could be something that you're passionate about or a design that would look great in a specific space you're picturing. Using the search bar can help narrow down your options as you type in keywords related to your interests. After finding that perfect image, the next step is to open it. Ensure you're satisfied with the details and the resolution of the image before moving on to download it. Downloading the image is quite straightforward. Look for the download button, which is usually indicated by a downward arrow icon, and click it. The file will promptly save to your device. Make sure to remember the location where it gets saved, as you'll be needing it again in just a moment. With your image file safely downloaded, you can now open it on your device. Opening it is important not just to check its final look, but also to ensure you're completely satisfied before hitting print. You don't want any surprises later on, so give it a quick glance over to verify everything looks just right. If there are any issues, you can return to Pinterest and choose another image. Finally, it's time for the most anticipated step, printing your image. Make sure your printer is connected and powered on, with the necessary paper loaded and ready. When you're satisfied with the image on screen, it's simply a matter of clicking on your device's print option. Adjust any printer settings if necessary to get the best possible result, and then watch as your selected image comes to life. And there you have it. You've just navigated through the process of selecting, downloading, and printing an image using Pinterest with Google. Feel free to repeat this process whenever you need more stunning visuals for any project or decoration needs. I hope you found this guide helpful. Enjoy your new artwork, and I'll see you next time with more great tips and tricks.